This is where we're going, guys. Birria La Victoria. It's a very famous play here from Guadalajara, and they only do it over here a certain way, guys. So we're gonna dwell into this culinary culture that is the birria here in Guadalajara, aka the goat stew. Let's see what it's all about. The folks here at La Victoria are one of the most popular ones here in Guadalajara, and we're gonna check out the spot. We're gonna prepare our plate over here, guys.
Chivito, la costilla de chivito.
This is the rib of the goat right here.
Chivo, costilla. Este es machito. Viene siendo el menudito con las tripitas.
Ok.
Machito, un poco de machito.
¿Y su nombre es?
Jorge.
Jorge, y usted es segunda generación acá.
Acá, ok, mi papá empezó y sigo yo. Ya hay otra tercera, mi sobrino, mi hija, todo.
So his father basically started this place. ¿En qué año empezó?
En el 48.
So 1948 his father started this spot over here, and now he's running it here. Oh, check out that juicy piece.
La espaldita.
Bien importante que tenga el hueso, le da bastante sabor, ¿no?
Claro, la carne pegada al hueso es lo mejor.
Check it out. So we're getting all sorts of different cuts here of the goat, and it's all gonna go into this delicious birria.
Un poco de todo así.
Y esta salsa es la grasa del chivo.
Es el jugo que suelta la carne en la hora que se cose. Con el jugo que deja ya la carne cocida, ya se tiene lavado el jitomate y se revuelve al jugo para cocerla y revolverle sus especias y que quede en el punto de sazón del sabor.
Ok, so aquí está todo el sazón.
Sí, todo el sabor ya con el jugo que quedó de la carne, y ya con sus jitomate y todas las especies que lleva.
Oh my god, that looks phenomenal.
Y ahorita ya en su mesa ya tiene lo que lleva: cebolla, cilantro, picante.
Ok, so si le quiero agregar más cositas ahí.
Sí, ahí.
Está bien. Here's some of the drinks. ¿Y este qué es? ¿Picante?
Sí.
Guys, check it out. Only in Mexico they put some hot sauce inside of the Coca-Cola bottle. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it. And they also sell beers here. They have some jumbo beers. Then we'll start off the day with a nice little light beer over here. Check it out, guys. History here. Everything revolves around the goat meat though. This place has been around possibly before my parents. And they're huge fans of Las Chivas de Guadalajara, the local football team here.
Este es de tomate
Check it out, you have a tomato chili here.
y este es el tradicional de la birria de árbol.
Este es el tradicional. Aquí hay cilantro, limón. We got some more chilies, guys. It's Mexico. You better love your chilies.
Habanero.
Oh, yeah, aquí hay habaneros. You guys might be wondering right now, why is there nobody in the restaurant? Well, I came very early. I'm probably the first customer here because, well, I wanted things to kind of be a bit calm when I do this. So that's the reason, but wait 1 hour, this place should be popped and packing. Anyway, guys, this is the way to eat this. You can have it as a traditional stew. You get your spoon and you just go in, but you can also get this delicious goat meat and basically use it to make your own little tacos. You have some tortillas, some little tostadas, a golden tostada here. We have some habanero chili here, onions, more chilies, lime, another hot sauce, some sea salt, and their homemade tomato chili here. I'm definitely gonna give this a go. First things first, guys, let's try out the stew. Oh my. That is tasty, guys. That is 100% good. Basically, this stew comes from all the animal fat when they cook the goat in the beginning. Everything that's left is this huge broth that we saw in that pot, and it has all the spices, all the flavors are in there. So this right here, guys, this is where it's at. Oh man, that is one tasty stew. Delicious stuff. Now let's try out that meat, that delicious goat meat. Oh my god. soft, tender, delicious. We're looking to be in Mexico, so tortillas are part of an everyday diet. Let's grab some of this meat over here. Gonna create our own little taco here. Check it out. Definitely gonna get some of the habanero chilies on there. Put some of that stuff all over there. Let's do onions. Gonna get a lime, a little bit of lime juice there, some cilantro, and voila. Here we have our delicious created taco. Let's go for a taste.
No. Nada.
That was simply phenomenal, guys. I have an idea. Let me drench my little taco with some of the birria here. Yeah, please. I'll have whatever, bro. Definitely drench your tortilla in this birria. It takes it to another level. We got a tamarind juice here, guys. Gonna give this a go. Homemade. Delicious and refreshing. We're gonna do another taco, but we're gonna try the home tomato hot sauce here. Has a little sweet smell to it. I noticed it while I was pouring some on my taco. Got a little glimpse of that smell. So we're gonna keep it as simple as we can so we can fully taste this sauce. Whoa. Definitely try the home sauce. It is hot. Right away it's hot. That is delicious. However, a lot of my meat here fell, so I'm just gonna kind of use this like a piece of naan and just scoop all that in. And then into my mouth. Their homemade tomato hot sauce was so good that I'm tempted to try this one here. They told me this one's the hottest one. Let's pour some in here. Bum, bum, bum. Woo, got a lot in there. A little more for good measure. And here we go. This should be a really hot taco here. I'm excited because this gold meat, man, is just delicious. It's not fair. These guys can have this every day here. In the beginning, I was a bit hesitant because I thought, oh, is this really worth trying? I mean, it's just a goat stew, you know? But no. This is Mexico, guys, and it's not just a goat stew. It becomes much more than that because there's many different things that you can do with this meat here and this broth, such as all the little tortillas, the little soft tacos I had with the different spices, the different hot sauce. Each taco becomes different. And now they have given me this little doradita tostada. It has some beans there on the top, it has some cheese, and I put on the delicious goat meat right there. We're gonna give this a go right now. Hot sauce. Another one.
You can put it on top of your birria or doradita.
Okay, so there's another hot sauce.
Yeah, it's the same sauce of the birria, so it's just more hot.
Okay, gotcha. All right, so they brought me some fresh birria sauce right here. I like the little plate there. I'm gonna try this first without it because I want to get the taste of this beans and the cheese. I wanna taste that alone. You guys have to try this out. Pour some of this birria juice that I was given here, fresh and hot. Simmer it all over my little tostada. Put the birria on everything. An awesome meal, guys. I'm about to experiment a little bit here. I like to touch my food. I like to feel it. So I'm just gonna grab a piece of this, like if it was a piece of naan, and just go inside here, grab some meat there, get it nice, wet and saucy here. Let all those flavors of this birria get in there. Muchísimas gracias, hermano. Delicioso la birria. Aquí está preparando más, ahí veo. Bueno, pues muchísimas gracias. Que tenga buen día. Alright, guys, time to roll out of here. That was delicious, super tasty food. The customers are starting to pile in, as we see. And, well, I recommend you guys come here. You know, I was a bit hesitant because I was just like, oh, it's just a goat stew, but nah. Definitely worth a try. Whenever you're in Guadalajara, do come over here. There's many spots, but this one here is one of the most popular ones. I tried it and I approve. Delicious stuff, guys. Hope you're hungry. Catch you guys on the next one.